for a long time, there have been women doing really interesting things and invention and building things and creating things and inventing whole genres in electronic music and electroacoustic music and so on and so forth. But I think that the level that they're finally getting recognized for it and included. And also more of them are doing it because more of them are feeling welcome. When I first started doing this work, if I was ever on a compilation of artists doing electronic music or electroacoustic compositions or whatever, I'd be the only woman on it. It would be me and a bunch of guys. I was actually on an event in San Francisco that was curated by this guy who had picked a bunch of us out who had done this performance marathon year after year. And it turned out that everyone was a woman. And it was a total accident. He didn't do it on purpose. It was just happened to be the stalwart people who had been on that festival and been faithful to it and come back and had continued doing our work. And so when he noticed this, he suddenly wanted to give that evening a name like ladies, da, 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 or, women's this or that. And we were like, do you call it men's night when it's all men, which it usually is, And he was like, oh, I guess we don't. And I said, well, then can you not call this that and just let people notice and find it interesting if they notice, or maybe not notice, but you didn't select us because of our gender, so let's not title the evening to do with our gender.